Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make some chicken soup. Chicken soup for the sniffles, colds, and flus. Oh yeah, baby. There's some apple cider vinegar, Bragg's, unfiltered, tablespoon of that. 2 big old chicken breasts in a big old pot of water. I'll add just a little bit of pepper there. Now here is half of a white onion chopped and 5 cloves of garlic chopped. And what we're going to do is we're going to bring it to a simmer and simmer it for about an hour to an hour and a half until that chicken is done completely. And we're going to take it, let it cool, take it off the bone and put it back in the soup, just the chicken. Just like so. Now give her a good stir. Now see on the top of that water there? That's anti-inflammatory properties that are awesome for sick. I'm adding a little salt here now. Be sure and taste it. That's what I'm going to do right here. Add your salt, stir it up, and taste it, just like that. Mine was a little shy on salt, so I added a little more to it, right here. I probably ended up with about a tablespoon in there. But this is a big pot of stew, or soup. Now, black pepper. Stir it again. Now here's about 25 sticks of spaghetti. Break them into 3 pieces and throw them in. Now don't add too much spaghetti because you'll end up with a bunch of noodles and no soup, you know what I'm saying? So warm it all back up until your noodles get nice and soft. And then we're going to add us a can of corn. Corn has antioxidants and lutein. Good for you. Oh yeah, baby. There you go, y'all. There's a beautiful chicken soup for colds, sniffles, and the flu. It really does work. So y'all go out and have yourself a really good day now. And then come home when somebody's not feeling too good and make them some of this stuff.